Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave o' Donald. And cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house o' MacDonald. They came through the blizzard, we offered them heat, a roof for their heads, dry shoes for their feet. We wined them and dined them, they ate our meat, and slept in the house o' MacDonald. Oh, cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave o' Donald. And cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house o' MacDonald. They came from Fort William with murder in mind. The Campbell had orders King William had signed. Pit all to the sword, those words underlined, and leave none alive called MacDonald. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave o' Donald. And cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house o' MacDonald. They came in the night when the men were asleep, that band of Argyles through snow soft and deep, like murdering foxes among helpless sheep. They slaughtered the house o' MacDonald. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave o' Donald. And cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house o' MacDonald. Some died in their beds at the hand o' the foe, some fled in the night, were lost in the snow. Some lived to accuse him what struck the first blow, but gone was the house o' MacDonald. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave o' Donald. And cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house o' MacDonald.